Everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Tracie Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends. So I am really excited for today's video. I have got a cloud pour cup, but we have actually tweaked it here a little bit. And if you notice, there's some chambers in here. So I had someone comment on my last video about this type of a cup, making it into like a quad cup, split cup, and I had been thinking about it and I said something to my husband and he said, that's funny because I was thinking about it too. So lo and behold, he went and got one made, and this is actually the prototype. You can see it's two different colors because again it was a prototype and we were just using kind of some leftover filament there. So it is the same in the front, two chambers right here. There's a tablespoon, it fits in each side, a tablespoon of paint, and then there's the 4 chambers, and this holds, the whole cup holds 6 ounces. So this is going to be the first time I'm using it as a test. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get my gloves on, and then I'm gonna get started here. I'm gonna let you know what colors I'm gonna be using. And I've got my favorite blue, one of my favorite blues. It's from Soho, this other way, and it's mineral blue. I finally decided to buy the bigger container of it because I really like that one. And then another one from Soho is alizarin crimson, and this is one of my favorite reds to use as well, so I got that in a bigger container. And then this one here is super pretty. My husband made these cute little purple stir sticks for me also with a little bit of leftover stuff. But that color I mixed. I had a little bit of the GAC800 24 karat gold and the copper, and I mixed those two together. Oh, no, not copper. That was gold. I mixed the Extreme Sheen bronze with that. So let me go over that again. It is 24 karat gold from GAC800 Americana with GAC800 Extreme Sheen bronze. Jeez, like sometimes I forget what I'm mixing together, which is exactly what this one is. It is just a metallic-y color I mixed up a while ago. I don't know if you can kind of see that. It's really pretty, and it's been mixed up for a long time. I hope it's still good. I figured it's a good time to test it. And then this here, my bottle, is 2 purples that I mixed together. The Liquitex Basics Dioxazine Purple with the Fine Touch Violet. And for those of you that are asking about the Fine Touch brand, that used to be a brand that Hobby Lobby carried, and they got rid of it. Rebranded it as Master's Touch. So if you're looking, I bought that paint a couple years ago when it was on clearance, and I still have quite a bit of it, and I like it, and I do use it sometimes and just mix it with some other colors. So if you're curious, that's if you can't find it, if you go to look and you can't find the Master or the Fine Touch, that's why. They don't have it. So I get it. I've gotten asked that many times. So anyway, okay. So then I have my cloud mix, which is the Behr Satin Enamel Paint and Primer in 1, Ultra Pure White with Vallejo Pearl Medium. And that's mixed with Floetrol and Golden GAC800. And then the rest of my colors are mixed with my regular pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. And they're all mixed roughly about the same, to 1 part paint to 2.5-ish parts pouring medium. And that just depends on how, you know, everybody has their own consistency that they like. So this one works for me. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start filling, putting the white in the one chamber. And you know what? I think I'm gonna just only fill the one side. I kind of like doing that because the other side works really great if you want a ton of clouds and you're gonna use a bigger canvas. This is only a 12 by 12. So, all right, and then I'm gonna put the mineral blue on this side. I can't really see. Just squeezing it kind of slow. I don't overflow there. Not that it'll overflow, but I like to kind of keep it so it's not going over into the other chamber. So now I'm going to put some red in this side. And I did not shake. I did shake this one a little bit, but I've been getting a little carried away with my shaking and ending up with more bubbles than I like. So, you know, there's a stringy thing in there. I hope there's not any in there because, like I said, this is an old paint. But anyway, getting more bubbles than I like. So I tried not to really shake anything. I did have to give this one a quick, just a little stir because I just mixed the two. So really quick, I want to show you though. I found these silicone stretchy lids on Amazon, and they fit perfectly on my mixing cups, the ones I use for mixing and flip cups. They come in different sizes. These fit perfectly. So I do have the link for that in the description if you're interested. They work great to help save your, keep your paints. So I wanted to show you those really quick. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I don't think I'm gonna put a puddle down. Yeah, I may have to put some around the outside, but I'm just gonna go ahead and get started here. Hopefully this test works. Coming out. This is super cool. Alright guys, here we go with the dried photos, and I absolutely love it. It dried just so beautiful. I love how the colors came up through the clouds. I love how the colors blended. It's just gorgeous, and I am gonna call this cup a success. It will also be available in different variations very soon in my Etsy shop. So I would love to hear what you guys think. Leave me a comment below. And if you got anything out of today's video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. Alright guys, don't forget to go check out acrylicpouringtools.com for all your acrylic pouring tool needs. And I have a bunch more videos I know you will enjoy, and I will catch you in the next one.